We've covered quite a few times here on the channel when the police do the wrong things. Essentially, the police breaking their own laws. But we've not spoken too much about judges, the people who actually hand out justice to alleged criminals and sometimes innocent people who were caught up in the wrong place at the wrong time. This judge, though, they very much put themselves in the wrong place at the wrong time while also being very much in the wrong state of consciousness too, because the judge has been found to be unconscious while driving the wrong way down the highway to even perform sobriety tests. Yeah, not a great look. Let's have a look at the full story. A judge in Iowa has been caught driving the wrong way down a highway and appeared to be passed out as she crashed into a median, according to police. Adria Kester, the chief judge of the Hawkeye State 2nd Judicial District, faces a charge of operating a vehicle while under the influence, which would be their first offence according to court records, which is not really a surprise. I mean, judges can't really have rap sheets now, can they? Concerned motorists at the time called 911 shortly after 8 p.m. local time on November 4th after seeing Kester's 2026 GMC Canyon Denali slowly driving east in the westbound lanes of US Highway 30 near Boone, which is around 45 miles northwest of Des Moines. This is according to a complaint which was obtained by the Associated Press. Witnesses reportedly stated they saw the 55-year-old Kester slumped over at the wheel as she entered the median, according to the police. One witness tried to open the driver's door, but it wouldn't open as the truck moved slowly through the median. The witnesses had to climb through the back window to stop the vehicle. Deputies with the Boone County Sheriff's Office responded to the scene and reportedly found Kester in the driver's seat unconscious. They also found a cup in the vehicle that had a liquid that suspiciously smelled like alcohol. That is according to the affidavit in this case. Kester was also observed to have bloodshot eyes and slurred speech, according to the police. When the deputies pulled her out of the vehicle, she allegedly was unable to walk. Kester appeared to be so drunk that deputies determined it would be unsafe for her to perform field sobriety tests. Imagine being so drunk that you can't even perform the test to prove whether you're drunk or not. It's just like, there's no point. You're just going to hurt yourself. So very much disqualified from that. She was taken to the hospital for treatment where staff drew her blood for analysis. The results of the blood test are still pending. Something tells me that she'll be over the ABV limit though. Something definitely telling me that, Maybe I'm jumping to conclusions here, but I think it probably will. The defense's attorney in this case has said the following, quote, Judge Kester recognizes the seriousness of the situation and is fully cooperating with law enforcement and the judicial process. She is committed to addressing this matter responsibly and in accordance with the law, end quote. Kester has been a judge since 2017. She was previously a prosecutor, public defender, and private defense attorney, according to her official biography. So yeah, there you go, guys. I mean, end of the day, it doesn't matter whether you are the police, doesn't matter whether you are a judge, doesn't matter who you are. If you break the law, and it's that obvious that you've broken the law, you have to face the consequences for your actions. And I hope this judge very much does get the book thrown at her when it comes to this one. It's blatantly obvious. And frankly, it's a miracle that either her or someone else was not seriously injured in this incident. Going the wrong way up the highway, even relatively late at night, extremely dangerous, especially while you are not in control of that vehicle, because you are probably very drunk and definitely asleep at the wheel at that time. But yeah, get your thoughts in the comments below, guys. Have you heard any similar stories to this when it comes to judges breaking the law? I want to hear what you have to say on this as always. Like, share, comment, subscribe as always, guys. Have a fantastic day wherever you're on the world today, and we'll see you very soon.